Keep moving, girls. Straight ahead now, easy does it.
Respiration is clear and the heart rate is steady.
Good. I'll update the wellness report now.
Flank is clear. Post-wash check complete.
Excellent. Marking her down.
Easy now, walk straight ahead. All right, settle down, girls. Gates closing now.
This step ensures maximum hygiene before milking begins. Workers clean the udder using sanitized warm cloths.
I'm increasing the pressure slightly. That was acknowledged. Levels look good. The levels look good.
Maintaining speed at 98%.
Seal looks good on this batch. Agreed. Moving them along.
3 more coming your way. Copy that. Securing the last row now.
Ensure the temperature seal is tight when you close up.
Texture analysis shows slight deviation on slice 3. Noted.
Does it fall within acceptable parameters?
Barely. Logging the variance now.
Check Section B for poultry.
Confirmed. Moving beef to Section D.
Clear the aisle. Coming through with the forklift.
Next crate ready for inspection.
Copy that. Moving this one inside now. Careful, it's heavy.
According to the checklist, everything is in order. Confirmed. We can finalize the report.
The surface condition here looks good, minimal scarring.
Thickness is measuring exactly 5 millimeters. This batch is approved.
The texture looks much better now, very supple. Agreed. The absorption rate is perfect.
The marking on the men's briefcase line is complete.
Perfect. The women's shoulder bag placement is finalized.
Watch that pallet, it's uneven.
Bringing the next load now.
Security clearance completed. The journey begins. Products heading to market with smooth logistics flow.
Right here, quickly. We need these inside now.
Yes, madam. Coming through.
काना होके मरनी है तो जैसे किसी जॉन को ये टूथब्रश नुली है असने का तापचे में रीदर्स नली बैट्यू की वजह से कर लाइए
Really good.
The pebble grain leather is incredibly soft and it has this central padded compartment for a laptop.
The quality is amazing.
Your payment is approved. Here are your bags.
Thank you. I'm excited to wear this tonight.
This leather is locally sourced and very high quality. It's one of our best sellers.
It feels very soft. Does it come in any other colors?
From the workshop to the showroom, the production journey is complete. Discover the new collection in our elegant final showcase.